Hey guys, it's Mel, your apparel and gear expert. So it's the end of the season and you forgot to wash your liner. Sometimes washing the inside of your helmet liner could be one of the most important things you could be doing for your helmet. And not to mention yourself. Let's say you have a hot date and you shower up, get all ready and clean, wash your face and head, and then you place on that grimy, dirty, unclean helmet. Now, that doesn't make much sense now, does it? You've spent all this time cleaning yourself, but yet you're putting on a dirty, dirty helmet. I mean, you wash your motorcycle, right? You wash your riding socks, right? So why not wash the inside of your helmet liner? So not only is this good for yourself personally in terms of hygiene, but it will also extend the life of your helmet. Listen, while you're riding, you're extruding oil and sweat, and that's not good for your helmet. In fact, that's why we usually say, if you have a helmet used daily, every 5 years, you should get a new helmet. That is because of the oils and salts in your sweat can help deteriorate the EPS foam. So check it out. If you clean it, you're actually gonna help extend the life of your helmet and keep it safer for you. So let me show you how you can remove the liner from an Arai helmet, but this can also pertain for other helmets. It just depends if the liner and cheek pads and all that fun stuff can come out. But for today, let's focus on Arai helmets. In this portion, I will be using Arai's footage. So let me show you now how to remove the liner for an Arai specifically. First, you want to remove the ES chin cover. That simply just pops out. You're gonna grab the frame of the ES chin cover and slide to the right or left and pop it out. Next, you're gonna remove the hook from the cheek pad. It's a little plastic thing, it's hard to see. Here's a closer look. It's so hard to see here, but it's like a little hook on the inside. It's like a little pocket. Hook out. Next, remove the cheek pads. Now these just pop out. It's gonna feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. Now you're gonna remove the interior, the top headliner. It just pops out. There are 4 little tabs. You're not gonna break it, just be gentle. See? Boom. Interior is fixed by 4 buttons. Now you can remove the neck roll. Just slide left, right, or left side. And that's it. Now let's remove the chin strap covers. Those do come out. Those get dirty too, you know. It's just fixed by a yellow hook. You just pull it right out. See that? Right there. Yellow. Look kind of orange though. Pop that sucker right out and hand wash that. Now, after the removal of the cheek pads and headliner, you're gonna want to hand wash these items. And the reason I say that, you don't want to just throw it into your washing machine. I mean, I guess you could, but just put it on a really gentle cycle. But I highly suggest that you hand wash them. Now, when you're washing your headliner and cheek pads, always use a mild detergent. Don't use bleach, because that can damage that can damage all that stuff. Now, there are specific products out there that you can use that are made for more technical apparel, so to speak. What I suggest is Nick Wax, specifically the Nick Wax Tech Wash. So why is this stuff good? Well, let me tell you. Now, this stuff was originally created for rain and ski gear, but honestly, it was made for anything technical in regards to apparel. You see, like I was telling you earlier, all that sweat and oils from your body can, you know, kind of clog up the materials and they can't do their job right. So once again, keeping your liner clean and cheek pads clean helps the helmet do its job for you in terms of being comfortable, and it helps extend the life of the helmet. So this is straight from Nick Wax. Breathable, waterproof garments are most likely to get sweaty and wet inside when used in damp or wet conditions. If the outer fabric absorbs water, the garment can lose up to 70% of its breathability. Therefore, the durable water repellency, DWR, on the outer fabric of your jacket must be maintained to ensure comfort. Nick Wax Tech Wash will revitalize the DWR and therefore breathability of your garment. So yes, I know this is talking about the outside of a garment, but this also includes the inside, especially with these liners and cheek pads. If you don't have this stuff, this Nick Wax, just use a real mild detergent. So when you're hand washing these, just hand wash wash them like you would regular clothes, you know, nice and gentle. Don't squish it too much. Make sure you squeeze out the excess water and soap. Just run it through a few times. And then most importantly, don't throw it in the dryer. If you throw it in the dryer, it'll end up being like a triple extra small liner in cheek pads. And then I guess you can get a helmet for your dog or cat. Just let it air dry. Don't sit it out in direct sun though. Just leave it in a nice cool place and let nature take its course. And if you have any questions on how to remove a liner for your helmet, feel free to ask me in the comments below. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here I go again, pointing. If you have any questions on gear, apparel, riding tips, don't forget to contact me and I will do my best to answer you. Don't forget to check out my other Arai videos like the one over here or the one over here. I'll see you next time, guys, and thank you again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See ya!